So, coming across from Charlie's and Julie's van, there's John and Sue's, who John's the son. Another ambulance, although this time it's a Fiat multi-jet, and John's converted this one himself. He's built all the bits, and we'll go in if we can. It's a nice big fixed bed at the back with storage from the outside. Is that or from the inside? Both. All right, you can get.
The door opens there, yeah.
Right, yeah. And you were saying that you've built this rather than using a caravan or anything.
Yeah.
We've got big lockers.
6 8x4 sheets of plywood gone into it.
6 8x4s. That's a lot of plywood. And did you use the old lockers as templates, or what have you done?
They were the old lockers with the green plastic doors.
Yeah.
And I've just made them doors out of the plywood the same size as the original doors and just replaced them.
Right.
And this is just stuck on under here. You can actually see it is green underneath. It's still there, the original pieces.
So you use it a bit of a framework.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I just moved them in.
All right. So nice big lockers on either side. And then kitchen unit.
Yeah, all made from scratch.
All made from scratch. And you've done the plumbing and the wiring, you were saying.
Yeah.
Everything. So what do you use as a water tank? Is it?
It's under the back there, 200 litre.
200.
It's on the driver's side. No, it might be a bit less. I can't remember now.
But it's a big one.
Yeah, it might be 120. I know it's got 2 in it. And then there's a waste one underneath.
Yeah. And have you got a heater? Water heater as well.
Yeah, that's under that box behind you. Yeah,
hot water and cold water.
Yeah.
And shower.
Yeah.
May I?
Shower and toilet. Yeah.
So shower cubicle. That's a nice big shower unit. And toilet.
Extractor fan in the roof.
Yeah. So mirrors and things, and vanity case. So that's a nice big shower unit there. As I say, we've got the kitchen unit opposite and the door. And come round, we've got swivel seats, which you put in, I take it.
Yeah, well, when it came, it had only got one, the driver's seat.
Right.
So I had to buy that one, so it's a different colour.
Right.
And I put swivel bases on them, and I've lowered them as well by 40mm.
Right.
Because the original, I couldn't see.
Yeah.
When I sat on them at the original height.
Right.
With the swivel in as well.
And did it have a bulkhead or not?
No, didn't have one this
one. Right, it didn't have a bulkhead. I had to grind mine out, or I was out. And there, the table, fixed in the middle of the swivel seat. Nice little bit of shelf space with charging points for all the electronics.
There's lots of charging points.
Yeah.
At the back as well.
That's the wardrobe, yeah.
And the wardrobe just above the fridge. The fridge, is it
three-way?
Three-way, so gives you the flexibility of wherever you are.
Yeah.
And that's just running off a normal sort of gas.
It's on gas now. Yeah.
What gas system have you got?
It's underneath.
Gas it?
Gas it. Yeah. So 18 litre tank, I think.
So you slung that underneath. Yeah. And the fridge runs off that system as well.
And the heater.
And the heater
and
the cooker. Yeah. So where's your fill point for that?
It's round this other side.
Oh yes, yeah. Handy fill point for that. And cassette toilet.
Yeah.
On there.
Vents for the fridge. Exhaust for the fridge. And the vent and exhaust for the water heater.
Yeah. And there's the water fill, water tank. have the windows tinted or
No.
That's how it came.
That's how it came, is it?
Yeah.
All right. And then the garage.
So there's the water tank.
So there's the water
Fresh
tank.
water tank.
Fresh water tank. And then lots of storage space again
Yeah.
under the bed.
And all the electrics. I got the inverter, 2000 watt inverter out of an emergency ambulance.
Right.
So it's the proper inverter and
Yeah.
the charger that came with it as well.
Yeah.
Used all them.
And what?
And the batteries.
Yeah. And what panel? Have you got solar? on
Yeah,
it?
160 watt
160.
solar panel on the roof, yeah.
And what? And that charge keeps your batteries charged.
It's not
okay?
doing very well today.
No.
But normally, yes, it does. Normally, yes,
Yeah.
fully charged. Split charger, so it charges the vehicle battery as well.
Yeah. Oh, wonderful.
Mhm.
And you've got a reversing camera.
Yeah, reversing camera.
Is that for sort of the rear view mirror, or is it
Yes.
for reversing?
Well, it's really just for reversing because it only shows you this
right.
bit on the floor, stops
Yeah.
you backing into anything.
Yeah.
It's got the air suspension,
Yeah.
and it was playing up the air suspension, so I've disconnected the compressor and I put 2 Schrader valves, like tyre valves, on,
Yeah.
so I can just pump it up to where I want and leave it.
Ah, right. Yeah.
It's adjustable, but not from in the cab.
Oh, lovely. And just a sticker to show where you're from. You talked it to. Well, thank you very much. Smashing. Thank you.
Know you've been a good friend, and that's in the thick and thin.